Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and I'm here with a new video. And in today's video, we will discuss about a job opportunity. But before we moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker and searching for a job, then you are at the right place because we upload videos on daily basis for job opportunities and job preparation. So if you follow us rigorously, then this will definitely gonna help you. So please like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker. So with that note, let's begin with the video. So today's video is regarding Capgemini hiring. So Capgemini has announced off-campus accelerator drive for engineering or MCA batch from 2019, 2020 and 2021. Okay, so this is for the batch of 2019, 2020 and 2021. Application deadline will be 28th of April, 11:59 p.m. So do apply as soon as possible because you have few days left. Okay, now the CTC for this job role will be 3 LPA. Okay, and this is from BEV or software related job. Okay, now we will quickly move on to the job description. So if I talk about eligibility criteria, so this drive and these positions are currently open for women candidates only. Okay, so female candidates only allowed to apply for this job. The female candidate should be graduated in 2019, 2020 or 2021 batch. And let's see the academic qualification. So the graduations which are eligible or post graduations are MCA, BE, BTech, open for all branches for both BE and BTech. Okay, so if you have done BE or BTech or MCA, then you are eligible. And for ME, MTech, MSc students, open only for information technology, information science and computer science. Okay, so if you have done ME, MTech and MSc, then if you were from a branch information technology, information science and computer science, then you are eligible. Now candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. So like keep in mind that point. Next, must be flexible to relocate to Capgemini location, work across technology, domain and role, and should be ready to work in shift if required. Okay, now should be open to sign service level agreement at the time of joining. Okay, so there will be 1 or 2 year of bond, so you should be able to sign that. Okay, now please note only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the virtual evaluation process comprising the online assessment and interviews, and we request the candidates to make necessary infrastructure arrangements, voice and video enable laptop or desktop and stable internet connections to appear for the selection process. Okay, so here the selection process will be online, and once you apply for the job, if you are eligible only, you will get assessment mail, and till then you need to be ready with the proper infrastructure. That means if you have laptop or desktop, then you should have a microphone and video and yeah, webcam should be there, okay, in your laptop, and you should have a good stable internet connection. So there should not be any difficulty while taking the exam. Okay, so this is all about this job, guys. If you are eligible and want to apply for this job, then I will provide the link in the description box, and you need to go to the link and click here on apply now button, and after that submit your application after completing it. And for the next process, company will coordinate to you through your email ID. So uh, like register with the email ID or you are active on. Okay, and yeah, this is all for today's video, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker. And also you can follow us on Instagram, and if you want to if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can ask me on my Instagram handle, that is Jobker_official, and also the link will be in the description box. If you want your query to be resolved, then first follow Jobker and then post your query there. Okay, so yeah, I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.